Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best bathroom cabinets is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked elements in maintaining a serene and functional bathroom space, transforming cluttered countertops and disorganized shelves into a haven of order and accessibility. Imagine effortlessly finding your toiletries, medications, and beauty products without rummaging through chaos, all thanks to a thoughtfully chosen cabinet that not only maximizes your storage potential but also complements your bathroom's aesthetic, making your daily routines smoother and your sanctuary more enjoyable. Number 5. VASAGLE Forest Green Floor Storage Cabinet UBCB 060C01. Maximize your space with this clever storage solution. It offers ample room for your belongings without taking up too much floor space. Crafted from durable MDF, this unit is built to last. For added peace of mind, it includes an anti-tip kit for enhanced safety. Keep your items neat and tidy with 2 adjustable shelves. You can customize the height to perfectly fit both tall and short belongings, keeping them dust-free. Its elegant forest green color and beadboard design add a touch of style to any room. It seamlessly blends with your existing home decor. Worried about putting it together? Don't be. With clearly labeled parts and simple instructions, assembly is a breeze. What we like? If you're looking for a stylish and functional storage solution that doesn't take up too much floor space, this is a great option. Its adjustable shelves allow you to customize the interior to fit your needs, whether you're storing tall bottles or smaller items. The elegant green color and beadboard style make it a beautiful addition to any room, blending seamlessly with your existing decor. What people say? The cabinet is very sturdy and well-made, with a smooth finish that is easy to clean. It offers ample storage space with adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize it to your needs. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into my bathroom decor. Number 4. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Tired of clutter? This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow spaces, transforming awkward gaps into valuable storage. It features a smart tiered design with adjustable heights, ensuring there's a perfect spot for items of all sizes, from tall bottles to daily essentials. With 360-degree swivel casters, you can easily move it anywhere. Plus, assembly is a breeze, no tools needed, ready in under 10 minutes. Customize your storage. Removable dividers and optional wheels allow you to adapt it to your specific needs. It's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and more. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. It's built to last and can hold a significant amount of weight, while the breathable mesh design prevents moisture buildup. This versatile cart is the ultimate solution for organizing your entire home, tackling storage challenges in tight corners and narrow spaces with ease. For maximum stability, it's best used tucked against a wall or between furniture. This design maximizes its efficiency in utilizing awkward nooks and crannies. What we like? For those tight spaces where every inch counts, this slim rolling cart is a game changer. It's designed to slide perfectly into narrow gaps, making it ideal for organizing toiletries next to the toilet or spices in the kitchen. The tool-free assembly means you can set it up in minutes, and the removable dividers offer flexible storage for items of all sizes. If you need to maximize awkward nooks and crannies, this is the one for you. What people say? It fits good between the toilet and the sink counter. It gives me so much needed storage. It has 3 narrow shelves, the bottom 2 are just perfect to stack a 12-pack of TP. I like that it's on casters so I can wheel it in and out of place to load it up. It also has a few small hooks you can move around as needed. It's absolutely the perfect fit and also pretty good for the price. Super easy to assemble. It also comes with additional hooks and dividing trays. I didn't add to it yet, and I can also add liner to the trays. This bathroom organizer is perfect for small spaces. It's very sturdy and I can fit a lot of things on it as well. It was really easy to assemble. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart 4-Tier. Introducing the ultimate gap storage solution. Its intelligent height differential design maximizes vertical space, fitting perfectly into narrow gaps and accommodating items of all sizes. This versatile organizer can be a mobile station with its smooth rolling casters, or easily converted into a fixed shelving unit. It adapts to your needs, serving as both a mobile pantry and a stationary organizer. Keep your items perfectly organized with customizable dividers and precisely engineered tier heights. It ensures everything from large bottles to small jars has its ideal spot, eliminating wasted space. Assemble this organizer in under 10 minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy portability, yet durable enough to hold up to 30 pounds per shelf. The unique mesh bottom prevents water pooling and promotes air circulation. Solve storage headaches throughout your home with this one cart. It's perfect for the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, small spaces, and so much more, bringing order to any area. What we like. If you need even more vertical storage in narrow spaces, consider this 4-tier slim cart. Its intelligent height differential design ensures that items of various sizes, from large detergent bottles to small spice jars, have a designated spot. The ability to convert it from a mobile cart to a fixed shelving unit adds incredible versatility. This is perfect for anyone looking to optimize storage in kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms where space is at a premium. What people say. The cabinet is very sturdy and well-made, with a smooth finish that looks great in my bathroom. I love the adjustable shelves inside the cabinet, which allow me to customize the storage space to fit my needs. The cabinet was easy to assemble and all the parts were included, which made the process stress-free. Number 2. VASAGLE White Floor Storage Cabinet. This cabinet offers generous storage with both upper and lower sections. It's perfect for keeping your essentials like towels, cosmetics, and shower items neatly organized. Customize your storage with shelves that adjust to 5 different positions. This flexibility allows you to perfectly fit items of all shapes and sizes. Built with durable MDF and particle board, this unit is made to last. Its elegant design with decorative panels will beautifully complement your entryway or bathroom. Your safety is prioritized with rounded corners to prevent accidental bumps. For added security, an anti-tip kit is included to keep it stable and secure. Setting up this storage unit is a breeze. With clearly labeled parts and simple instructions, you can assemble it quickly and effortlessly. What we like. When you need substantial storage for a variety of bathroom essentials, this floor cabinet with 4 doors is an excellent choice. It offers generous space for items like hairdryers, towels, and cosmetics, with adjustable shelves to accommodate different heights. If you appreciate a blend of quality, style, and ample storage capacity, and want to keep your bathroom clutter-free with a touch of elegance, this unit is a solid pick. What people say. The company revised the directions and I had 0 issues. The straightforward nature and clear pictures included made assembly easy. The hinges were not off-center and there were no problems attaching the magnets. All of the pre-drilled holes aligned perfectly, which made assembly much easier. Everything is screwed together, which produces a stronger bond. Very stable, even without using the included safety feature to affix the cabinet to the wall. The instructions were easy to understand. There were plenty of extra parts and all of the parts that were needed were included. Labeling was done super well, and the stickers come off the furniture easily. Number 1. VASAGLE Bathroom Floor Storage Cabinet UBBC 551WH01S. Keep your bathroom tidy with this spacious cabinet. It offers plenty of room for all your essentials, from hairdryers to cosmetics. Need to store taller items? The adjustable shelf inside the top cabinet can be set to 5 different heights, offering flexible storage solutions. Built with durable MDF and featuring stylish decorative panels, this unit not only looks great but is also designed for long-lasting use. Your safety is paramount. This cabinet includes an anti-tip kit to secure it to the wall, ensuring a safe environment for your family. Forget complicated setups. With clearly labeled parts and simple instructions, you can assemble this freestanding cupboard quickly and easily. What we like. For those who value both concealed and accessible storage, this cabinet with 2 drawers and 2 doors is ideal. It provides ample room for hairdryers, cosmetics, and shower items, with the added benefit of drawers for smaller essentials. If you're looking for a durable and stylish solution that offers flexible storage options, including drawers for discreet organization, this unit will help keep your bathroom tidy and chic. What people say. The cabinet is very sturdy and well-made. It has a lot of storage space and the shelves are adjustable. The design is sleek and modern. It looks great in my bathroom. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.